You guys, it seriously looks like a bomb went off in my house. Like, my house is just ridiculous right now. There's a couple reasons for it. One being that, look at this. Look at all this craziness right here. Cleaning stuff I didn't put away from Grove. Papers, box tops from the school that I need to cut and clip. Oh my god. Look at this mess. Hold on. Let's get the light on. Like, what is this? This is like a gazillion blankets, jackets, and odds and ends, pillows, whatnot. Stuff from Dominic from last night. Stuff on the floor. There's a pretty girl. There's a pretty girl. Yeah. There's my Grove box. Yeah, let's just keep going. Like, as I was saying, there's kind of a reason for it. This is definitely needing to get cleaned. My bathroom. One of my other videos that I just put up, something big is the back. This is Dominic's room right now. This kid is in big trouble because he is not keeping up with his room, and this is usually what happens when I don't get on him about it. So yeah, and then all this craziness nonsense over here. Yep. Something big is about to happen. Our bedroom, again, clothes everywhere, lots of laundry. This is gonna focus at some point. There we go. Bed needs to be made, stuff, you know, just everywhere. Big thing going to happen. So I've been busy trying to get ready for that. That will be explained later on, because that is actually going to be a full video. I'm going to just go downstairs really quick so I can show you the laundry room. This actually, I need to clean up this area too. This is like our new area that we just did. We finished this part off, or partially finished it, so we could bring some stuff down here. So we have our 2 recliners that are coming down here, and a fridge that's going to be going over there. This is kind of like our storage space. I'm going to be organizing this at some point, but not anytime soon. And then this is like my area for all like extra food and stuff like that. I'm going to reorganize that because I need to make some adjustments with that. This is our second bathroom. Frank just added on, flip the camera. So just like a small little half bathroom, but it was definitely needed since our house only had 1 bathroom, but I do need to clean that. This is my laundry room, which is a mess again. A lot of clothes and stuff to put away. More clothes over here that need to get put away, and just cleaned up. I need to do the floor and stuff in here. So yeah, this is all like my kitchen gadget stuff, like where I keep all of these. Frank's dad and him actually built these big units in here and put them into the wall or the ceiling, and I love these. These are great. So, and then we just got all of these big heavy-duty stainless steel racks not that long ago that holds all of like my kitchen stuff and stuff for my Etsy shop, and that's pretty much it. So we have a lot of stuff to do and a lot of cleaning in the works, so let's just get started. Does anyone else do this where they fill things as they go? My pantry is filled with these glass mason jars that I had bought a while ago, and I restock everything in the big containers from the basement. And I feel like when I clean, I just like to refill the jars because it just makes sure that they're full, especially during the weekend where we're getting ready for the week. I don't want to, it's one less thing to worry about going down in the basement, getting the container, and then filling it at that point. So I think this is also helpful when you're cleaning on the weekends, just to kind of, you know, get one extra little step done. Now I'm just wiping down this shelving unit that Frank actually made for us for our bathroom, and I am going to move my makeup brushes out of that space because I didn't realize how gross that was to actually have them in there until recently. So they are going to find a new home, and I'm going to finish wiping this down, and then after I was done with it, I did fill in the little cottons that are on there just to make sure that everything is stocked and ready for the week. Alright, let's finish up here. So this is what we are left with. Dominic's room, we got most of it done, but it's still kind of messy, and we just kind of stopped because we do live in the house. So I'm gonna just go through everything that I filmed in the beginning. Then the bedroom became a different story because, ta-da! We decided that we are going to rip this closet out. So we are redoing the closet now. So this room is a little messy because we just had to move all of our stuff from the bedroom down to the basement and get that cleared out, because this will be a new closet storage system in here. And then where this is going to be my new beauty desk with my drawers to organize all of my makeup. So that's very exciting. I'm going to go in here. Didn't get to do everything in the bathroom that I wanted to do, but I did get most of the cleaning done, so that's pretty exciting. And little bonus here, hello, I am the Grinch myself here right now doing a little face mask before bed. We're going to go in the living room. There's everybody relaxing, watching the game. This room is done. Wave hi, Dami. Wave hi. There's the cranky one. Cranky. Kitchen is done. All this stuff is for work for tomorrow, so that's just ready to go. And we got everything cleaned up and ready for the week. So yes, we're not gonna go down in the basement because that is where we moved all the stuff, so that is a hot mess right now. So that's it for this cleaning video. Make sure you stay tuned for more, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.